Alright guys, what it is, your boy X coming to you guys with another video, and it's time for the home tour. Now, full disclosure, no cap, you know I do Scully's. I suck at home tours. I do. I meant to record so many things. I just didn't. Cause I got this thing where I just get tunnel vision and it's like, hey, complete said task. And I will get so focused on trying to complete said task that I forget to do things like record, you know, cause just not used to it. So sorry for how bad the home tour is, but I got you though. I still did it. So always remember that, you know, I'm a one-man army, so it's just me, you know what I'm saying, holding the camera, doing my thing. So it might be a little terrible, but hey, bear with me because I'm trying, right? That's what matters. But let's get into the home tour. So before I actually show you guys the tour, I just want to say, hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like my content, or if you just like me as a person, you know, or if I did somewhat decent on the home tour. We know it's not gonna be the last one, so hopefully you subscribe for one of the first two. Appreciate it. This is pretty much the kitchen. As you see, we got the old school style. Everything's brown because, you know, like for some reason everybody brown in the 70s or whatever. But got like the little bar thing that I just don't care for. When I knock it over, make it to an island. But this is the laundry room, pretty solid. You know, this here is the living room. Very high ceilings and a massive freaking ceiling fan, like outrageous. Who knows, right? But it's a pretty decent sized space, guys. I like it. The little fireplace thing, whatever. We got a closet that's literally on the off side of the kitchen. Don't mind the door. The door came from the bathroom. We took it off the hinges because I don't know. I don't like doors when I'm like using the restroom. It's not my thing. I don't understand why people have. Then we come around to the master bedroom. Like I said, things are everywhere. As you can see, we already started painting. Have not scraped the ceilings yet, still popcorn. We still got this mad nasty carpet, bro. I don't get it, but won't be there long, guys. I promise. I'm not a big fan of carpet. This is the bathroom where I took the door off of, because, you know, it's like a mini space. Like, why was there a door there? But, you know, whatever. Pretty much standard bathroom. No, very old green. I don't know why people like no green, tea color green, but not for me. A jacuzzi that I'm never going to use. More likely going to take it out of there. Shower that most definitely have to get updated, but, you know, in due time. And a closet that we just threw everything in. You know, just probably one of the biggest closets I ever had, but mad junky right now. So that's crazy. All right, then straight across from the master bedroom, we got yet the second bathroom. Pretty standard, you know, just might end up also taking that cover off that bathtub, but, you know, just a regular old bathroom. Nothing. Might paint it, you know, well, going to paint it, whatever. And here we have my wife's room. She loves plants. Popcorn ceilings, we'll be scraping those. But yeah, gotta get that carpet out there, guys. But it's just pretty much a standard bathroom. Nice size closet, at least to me, you know. Pretty big. But right now, so as I say again, this is us starting the process to go ahead and shade them popcorn ceilings. I'm not with it. We are shaving all the rooms. It's a process in itself. It goes by pretty quick once you know what you're doing. But yeah, so this actual house is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house. You know, I got a room, my wife has a room, my son has a room, then me and my wife have our room. Then you got the living room, the kitchen. As you can see, a lot of stuff is outdated, but I've already started working on that. Me and my wife already started scraping a lot of the ceilings. We got vast majority of the things done to the house. I may do a mid-update part of the house, and then whenever I actually get the final part done in the house, I may do the final grand reveal. but I may show you guys what I've done so far to maybe spark some ideas for another person, or just you can see how easy it is to actually do it. So hopefully maybe you want to do the thing, just like, I don't know, maybe out of my capabilities or price range or whatever the case may be. I can just show you guys what I've done so far, how much I spent. So if you're interested in something like that, leave a comment, tell me, hey, I'm interested, I want to see it so far, and I got you. But like I said, I've showed you guys the kitchen, the living room, the master bedroom, the bathroom, the other bathroom, my wife's room, and I will show you guys like pictures, or well, I think I did some videos of me in my room scraping the ceilings. I think I got some of that, so I'll show that now. All right, guys, what to do? So I might probably do a voiceover more than likely, but as you can see, this is the new spot. This will be my room, my little production room I got going on here. Ooh, there you go, now I can see. But the thing is, it had popcorn ceilings. So yeah, popcorn ceilings down through there, all up through here. So I'm pretty much gonna remove all this, and I'm in the process of doing that now. As you can see, just pretty much got the plastic down, get you a little scraper, a little warm water, douse it down. You can see the wire spray so far, the texture difference, wet, not wet. And you can see over here, I already started coming along pretty nice. I just got started probably like 5 minutes ago, but it's coming, it's coming. All right, guys, so as you see, I got the ceilings all smoothed out, got that popcorn up off that thing. We don't need that. And like truthfully, it wasn't as hard as people like per se. Get that hot water on that thing, douse it pretty good, and it pretty much just slid off like butter. It just came clean off. It does leave a slight residues like that, like some of the sheetrock, but other than that, I was like, oh, it's pretty cool. But also with that, I did paint on this side. It'll be mad dark, might be. I'm going with the black, but even with the little paints, I was able to just rub those off and get it painted, and you can't see a thing. So those little pieces like this, don't let those stop you. Don't even worry about it. Just paint clean over it. It's pretty awesome. But the room is coming nicely. I painted this whole wall black, and I painted the wall over there black. I gotta red eye paint. Gotta get that bottom part and hit these trims. But it's most definitely coming together. Like, you just wait till you guys see my vision. It's gonna be a vision. This is where I say I'm bad, because I literally got no videos of my son. So I only have what we like, the finished product of his room. We pretty much got his room completed. Just gotta finish putting the quarter rounds down. Then after that, buddy is done. But yeah. But again, far as the numbers on this house, because it's a finance channel, I try to help the people, inspire the people, feed the people. I bought this house for about $280,000. The most expensive house I have ever bought. This is the most highest house note I have ever had. But I don't know, like, I'm making more money now. And I always told my wife that I'm doing it to get that dream house. I'm doing it to get us a house that we would actually like in a better neighborhood. Because my first two houses, they were in subpar. Like, if it was like a real estate thing, they'll call them like B, almost C type of neighborhoods. They weren't like terrible, but it wasn't the best. I do live in Memphis, so crazy. But we have moved into a nicer area. We have a garage. I know that seems like bro, you bragging about a garage. I am. I'm excited about the garage. So, but the house was $280. The interest rate was about 5%. I think the note's around like 1900, 19 something, like 1940 or 50 or whatever the case it may be. But I'm pretty excited about it. Like I said, there are houses nearby where they're building new subdivisions, like not even 2 miles away. And those houses are literally getting built and listed for like $370. And I actually want to look at one of those because I was debating on buying one there for $370 or buying one here for the price I got mine at, $280. And I got mine for $280. I got the guy to put a brand new roof on it, and like I got a brand new roof. I got the whole shebang. So it was like $370 in like a gated community, or I can get the $280 new gate, and it's like a less than a mile away from there for like literally a fraction of the price, which is why I chose this one instead of that one. But like I said, it's like a skip down the street, like not even a mile, where they're building these new subdivisions with these houses. And the only difference I saw from the floor plan that I want to saw over there versus here is they're pretty much identical, like no cap. I think the same builders built this one like just a couple years before they started over there or whatever. But my house is a 4.2. The one over there that I was looking at was a 4.3. The third bathroom was actually in the upstairs rooms, like where I'm at now. I have a big closet, and I have like this little slot section thing where you just walk in like for a display. And over there was the closet, and where my actual closet is, they had the third bathroom. So I'm down one bathroom, and they just had a room look, but exact same floor plans, which is the reason why I was like, nah, I already get this one. Hopefully I can do some upgrades that they did to those, but like the LED, like I have an actual fireplace, it's electric, but they have like the LED little clear rocks with the flames or whatever. Those things are like $200-300 I saw, and just cut out some of the drywall, brace that thing, and slap that thing up in there. So I think I can do that hands down. Like the house gonna look completely different from what I just showed you guys. Actually look completely different from what I showed you guys now. So like I said, if you guys want to see an update now, it's not finished, but if you want to see an update now, leave it in the comments, like this video, let me know, and I can just show you guys the same thing of what we've already upgraded so far. But that's the home tour. Hope you guys like it. I know it was my first one, and I didn't do it like to the part of like a top tier YouTuber or like HGTV, but I did my best. Any questions, of course, in the comment. Always can follow me on Instagram, send me a DM. Got no problem with that. But subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, support your boy, because me on that plateau, them steps to a millionaire. The only way to get to a millionaire is gigantic debt, and I'm there. But it's good debt. But it's your boy Exia, and I'm out.